Hey, so this is our Wordle game in MIPS assembly language. The main file we're running is the wordlefino.asm, so we're going to assemble and run this code. So that was the welcoming sound for starting the game, and for my first guess, I'm going to guess jokes. So we display an ASCII board. The first guess is populated in this first row, and at the bottom we display messages showing which characters are in the word but in the right place, and which characters are in the word but in the wrong place. So E is in the word but in the wrong place, so I'm going to guess peach. So the second guess is populated in the second row, and it says A is in the right place. So I'm going to guess beast. So once again, A is in the right place, E is wrong place. So now I'm going to show you our guess validation. If we enter any non-alphabet characters, like some numbers, it's going to ask us to re-enter the guess with alphabet characters. If we do a mix, it's going to tell us to do the same thing. If we enter a word that is less than 5 characters, it's going to ask us to re-guess and enter a word that's 5 characters. If we do one that is more, it's going to ask us to re-guess and enter a word that's 5 characters. So now that we've proven our guess validation works, we're going to move on to the next guess. Let's try loans. A is in the right place. Okay, so we are pretty far away from guessing the right word, but for my last guess, I'm just going to guess boast. So that sound that you heard playing was the lose message, because we used all 5 guesses and we didn't guess the word. The correct word was frame. And you can play again and press yes to play the whole word again and try again with a different word. And yeah, that is our demo. Thank you for listening.